Воды пиздец. Вот ебать. Ебал я в рот. Эй, йоу!
Am I gonna regret standing here?
We are removing this old cage from this car. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. At least they coped it. Oh my god.
Should I give him a chop? I'll give him a
Then the GTR.
That's why he's into the red Oh my god.
Alright, go forward. It's looking good. Keep coming. Keep coming. Alright.
Agencies believe Afghanistan's capital Kabul could fall to Taliban control in as little as 3 months.
I am going to pull my dinky U-Haul trailer in the left lane above its rated maximum speed on an extremely high winds day with nobody in front of me for almost an 1/8 mile, thereby blocking everybody else in the left lane. No, it just fell off! Oh my god, it's gone! Oh my god, it's gone! I am now an empty U-Haul trailer. Do you think he noticed? Do you think he noticed? Hey, you might want to look back there. Because you don't have a box anymore, buddy.
They gave this fool a parking ticket. Look at this. What? What? What?
An unattended vehicle.
In an unintended bro. Come on, this guy was not having a good day.
Where'd you get that?
Huh?
Where did you get that?
New Jersey.
From who?
I don't know who he is.
Did you order that?
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
क्या वीडियो बनाई है हमने भाई।
You made an illegal stop. Do you have a license?
Yeah,
this one? The
yes.
temporary one?
Yeah, I lost my other one.
Why'd you take the doors off?
This door wouldn't close, so it would swing open. I drove around like that for a day, and then that door jammed. And he's always with me, so I was like, dude, we're just gonna take the doors off. When we went to Texas Law, and we're like, well, everything else works. Yeah, let's do it. Because when it gets hot, it'll feel great. Cause
Yeah.
the air
We went to Walmart and we picked up a reciprocating saw with a metal cutting bit.
Yeah. Where's your helmet?
Oh, I don't have one yet.
No? That's law, dude.
It is?
No, I'm just messing with you.
Well, actually, I ordered the Predator helmet, so
There you go.
just to be weird.
How can I help you?
Yeah, my buddy here, he's your neighbor, but his...
Rasha Woodley,
Woody?
this is my head. What? What's wrong?
Hang on.
Morning, this
He's saying that...
Me eat, Rasha. Me eat food.
he's
Me
upset...
sleep food.
Clee.
What is he saying?
He's upset because your car's making a lot of noise. He's saying when he's trying to sleep, eating breakfast, all he hears is your car all the time.
Tell him it's a race car. There's nothing I can do. Yalla, this drive, no race.
Mara, he's saying it's too loud. I don't know. He's saying, what are you trying to say? What was that?
This street. Ooh,
Hamza Minni.
Listen, try Akuya, little race.
He's saying don't drive fast.
I don't drive fast. The car is loud.
Rasha, my head.
What? Ding, 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 ding. Be quiet. What's wrong with your head?
No.
Yeah, but too much.